Commercial solar energy systems offer several advantages for businesses, making them an increasingly popular choice. Here are some key advantages like as cost savings, return on investment, tax incentives and credits, environmental sustainability, energy independence, hedging against energy price volatility, long lifespan and low maintenance, grid support and net metering, brand image and marketing, technological advancements. The ideal way to improve your business's carbon footprint and reduce your utility bill at the same time. The planet and your bottom line, and join our solar family. www.amglobalsolar.com